How to change avatar in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change avatar in Duolingo. So, do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch the Duolingo applications on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account in order to change avatar in Duolingo. Once you reach on the home screen of Duolingo, tap on your profile icon at the bottom center of the screen. Now you will land on this page where you can see your current avatar in Duolingo. In order to change this avatar, tap on the gear-shaped icon at top right corner of the screen where you will get the option to change avatar. Simply you need to tap on that and then you will reach on Edit Avatar section, where you can easily change your skin tone, body, and including other things as well, like your eye color, expressions, main hair color, glasses colors, glasses, and many more. Once you're done customizing your avatar, you simply need to tap on the Done button at top right corner of the screen. And then, that's all for today. You will successfully change avatar in Duolingo. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.